Here's how to use linguistics to subtly influence people's thoughts. It's also used in advertising a lot, so this will help you tell if you're being influenced. When you're speaking or answering a question, every time you say a word, it takes a certain amount of time to think of the word. In psycholinguistics, the psychology side of linguistics, this is called retrieval time. So if they show you a picture of a cat and then ask you to describe what's in the picture, the amount of time it takes you to say cat is the retrieval time. But there's actually a lot of ways to subtly influence how quickly people can retrieve certain words. And the easier a word is to retrieve, the more likely you are to say it. So one obvious way is to just say a word that's semantically related. So for instance, if you're talking about dogs and then you show somebody a picture of a cat, they're gonna be able to say cat really fast because they're already semantically primed to be thinking about pets. But a more subtle way of doing this is called phonological priming. And that's where you say a word that sounds similar but doesn't even have a related meaning. So for instance, if you talk about a hat and then you show somebody a picture of a cat, the retrieval time's faster there too. So you can make somebody more likely to say something or think about it just by saying something that sounds similar. And a lot of advertising or brand naming uses priming as well. So like Verizon sounds like horizon, which has this implication of broad coverage. And you can even do this with just an image of a word that sounds similar. So I don't even have to actually say the word hat in order to speed up your retrieval of cat. It could just be wearing a hat or something. So if you come home and see a bunch of hats everywhere, your cat might have done that in order to subtly make you think about it more. Just kidding. Or am I?